Have you ever seen something like it show you before it actually happens? Well, no surprise that the Igbo spirituality has a lot to say about dreams. Dreams are not entertainment, they are briefings. The spirit receives information before the body understands it because the intangible controls the tangible. If your spirit does not receive something, somebody else's spirit will even receive it and come and send you the message. The information arrives through symbols and patterns and repetition that you can train yourself to recognize. Ignore it long enough, reality escalates. Obulia, Oputife. Dreams are warnings, they are not stories, they no be clues. Osena abụbụ ife afọ n'anya, mana atụ alụ ọmala ọmala atụ alụ ofeke. Otu isi n'ọfịa.